Are you ready for a life-changing experience? Pujya Guruma Aathmanandamayi Amma is returning to the USA for special initiations, powerful meditations, and discourses. And for those of you who have been praying for this moment, the wait is finally over. Join us in New Jersey on September 2nd at the Balaji Mandir Auditorium in Bridgewater from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Atlanta on September 7th at the West Forsyth High School in Cumming, Georgia from 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Texas on September 8th at the Frisco Convention Center in Dallas from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Michigan on September 14th at the Padadhiya Temple in Troy from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. California on September 21st at the Jain Temple in Milpitas from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Florida on September 28th at the South Florida Hindu Temple in Miami from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. This is a rare and a unique opportunity to be initiated into the spiritual path under Amma's compassionate guidance. Amma will also be bestowing an energized Mahashivratri Rudraksha upon each participant, a sacred token imbued with blessings and protection. Spaces are limited, so register today and embark on a journey of self-discovery with Pujya Guruma Aathmanandamayi Amma. We look forward to welcoming you and sharing this incredible experience together.